The night is dark and full of terrors. And in one of those scary nights, when you saw something out of ordinary or strange, you must have asked single or multiple questions to your eyes, such as, was it real what I just saw? Am I dreaming? However, the way Homo sapiens are being designed, our eyes don't talk back. Hello universe, my name is Naveen and today in this video, I will teach you how to use ViewCLI command during runtime to make a 8 megapixel Noir camera connected with NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB developer kit talk back about its current camera mode, sensor mode, orientation and much more. By the way, if you haven't watched part 1 of getting started with Aducam 8 megapixel Noir camera for NVIDIA Jetson Nano 2GB developer kit video series, do not worry, I have attached link to that video in the description below, so please do check it out. However, if you're visiting my channel for the first time or the nth time, be sure to press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new content. Now, bring your open mind and stay till the end of this video and learn how you can too make Aducam 8 megapixel Noir camera talk back to you.
Hello people to this part of the video in which I will show you two things. Number one, I will introduce you all to various camera commands which you all can give to Aducam 8 megapixel Noir camera to know about its current camera settings. Secondly, I will show you how you can change those default settings through few more short and sweet camera commands. So, without any further ado, let's get started. In order to enter into the runtime mode, I will give nvgst capture -1.0. Once I give this command and press enter, a preview display screen will appear. Then, in order to know the current capture mode, I will give GMO, get mode. So MO equals to 1, which gives me an idea that currently the camera is in image capturing mode. Then I will give MO:2 in order to change it to video mode. I'll press enter after that. You can see changing capture mode to 2. Now in order to record a video, I'll press 1. You can see the message recording started. After that, I'll press 0 in order to stop the recording. So I do that. After that I'll press Q in order to exit the camera application. I want to show you few more commands with respect to image capturing mode. I'll once again give nvgst capture -1.0. Press enter after that, and then I'll check the current capture mode, and it is in image capture mode. Then the first command which I want to show you is grabbing an image after few seconds. How I can do that? By giving J cross 5000. What this command will do? This command will grab an image after 5 seconds. After that I'll press enter. Then the image captured message will appear, but after 5 seconds. Then the second command which I want to show you is how to take multi-shots. So how we can do that? By giving J colon the number, the count, J colon 6. You can see it captured image 6 times. I'll try to give this command once again, but this time I want to give a higher value. Give 10. As you can see, it captured the image according to the value which was given in the command. Then I'll press Q and exit the camera application. After that, I want to know the current sensor orientation of this camera. How I can know that? First of all, I'll enter again into the runtime mode. I'll press enter after giving this command. Then First of all, in order to know the sensor orientation, I'll give GSO. So sensor orientation equals to 0. That means currently nothing is being set. So in order to set the camera orientation, I will give SO colon followed by a number 2. So what it will do? It will rotate the camera 180 degrees. Then I'll give another value SO colon 3. Then what it will do? It will rotate 90 degree clockwise. Then I'll again give another value SO colon 1, and it will rotate the camera orientation by 90 degree but in anti-clockwise direction. Then I'll press Q and I'll exit the application. But before doing that, I'll grab an image by pressing J. Alright. Then after that, I want to know the current camera mode. As you can see here, there are multiple camera modes stated here. So with different frame rate and the output stream. The one currently we are in is in the last one, that is with a frame rate of 120. So let's try to know the current camera mode by the command. How I can do that? Let's see. I'll once again give the same command, nvgst capture -1.o, and then I'll press enter. So I'll give GSMO, get sensor mode. I'll press enter. You see active sensor mode equals to 5. 5 stands for the same setting which I showed you earlier with a frame rate of 120, which you can verify here as well. Frame rate equals to 120. Output stream 1280. Height is 720. Then I'll try to change it by giving SMO colon 4. Once I press enter, you can see there is a change in frame rate. Output stream with respect to this setting is, say, the change is only in the frame rate, which is 59.999. Alright. So one thing I want to tell you is you don't need to remember all these values with respect to the different settings. I have attached a PDF with respect to this video in the description, so do check it out. The next camera setting which we will see next is white balance. Now what is white balance? White balance actually is a camera feature which balances out the color temperature in the image. Alright, so let's see how giving this command impacts our camera. I'll once again will enter into the runtime mode by giving nvgst capture -1.o. A preview display screen will appear. Then I'll give GWB. Once I give this command, I'll press enter. So white balance equals to 1, which means that it is auto adjusting the white balance. Now let me play with this white balance by giving WB colon 7. Now once I give 7, let's see what changes happens. Once I give 7, I'll press enter. Let's just wait for the changes. As you can see, changes happen and the current camera turned into a Teolite mode. Or I can say the white balance turned into a Teolite mode. Then once again I'll give some other value, WB colon 4. As you can see, we came back to the old white balance setting. Now I will show you how you can ask AutoCam 8 megapixel Neue camera about its current camera resolution and then how you can change the current camera resolution of this camera based upon the response you will receive after giving the suggested command. Alright, let me show you that command, but before that, let's enter the runtime mode. And the only way I can enter into runtime mode by giving nvgst capture -1.0. As you can see, a preview display screen appears. Then, in order to know the current camera resolution, I will give GICR. So the current camera resolution is 640 cross 480. Now I'll press Q and then enter and come out of the camera application. Now after that, I'll just go above and show you few of the options related to different camera resolution available. Second stand for 640 cross 480, 3 stand for 1280 cross 720, and the list is big. So after going through the list, let me give this command along with nvgst capture -1.0. So the complete command is as follows: nvgst capture -1.0, then image -rest equals to 3. Then alongside this image rest, I will also give orientation to 2 so that I can change the camera orientation to rotate 180 degrees. Alright. So once I'll give the orientation value, which is 2, I'll press enter, and now you can see the result here. So in order to verify the command, what I'll do, I'll again give GICR. So here now you can see 1280 cross 720. That means whatever command we give, it worked. Now after that, I'll again come out from this camera application by pressing Q. Then I'll press enter, and now I'm out of the camera application. Now I want to do the same for video resolution. So what I'll do, I'll enter into the runtime mode as usual, and then I will give GVCR. That is, I'm asking the camera, tell me your video resolution. So its video resolution is 640 cross 480. So I'll again press Q, then enter, then I'll come out of the camera application, and then I will try to change the command which I gave last time. I'm slow in pressing Q. So I'll just change the command which I gave last time. Instead of image, I'll remove it and I'll put video. So with minimal effort, I will give this command to the 8 megapixel Noir camera. And I'll press enter. Now you can see a preview display screen will appear. Ta-da! Wow, they look nice. Toys. So after that, in order to confirm whatever command we gave last time worked or not, I'll give GVCR, and now you can see the current camera resolution is 1280 cross 720. That means the last command which we gave in order to change the video resolution worked quite nicely. With that last command of asking about the current camera resolution for capturing an image or for recording a video, we come to the end of this video. But before I sign off, I just want to tell you that all the commands which I have demonstrated in part 1 and in part 2 have been put inside a PDF, the link of which you can find in the description below. If you like this video, please press the like button, and before leaving, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon with full force. Thank you for watching, Universe. Bye bye.